So I wanted to show you my appreciation to you.
This is so beautiful.
Yes, that's for you.
You knew this?
Yes, I do that. I want to become an artist one day, and then actually,
You are an artist.
I want to show you my appreciation for this, and also I love changing my hat. I want to show you my appreciation to all voice actors and to yourself, and to knowing that you should be trying to also around.
I'm going to frame this.
I think on the page that was selected.
Yes, please.
My name is actually Valentino. And also, you know how you like toast?
Oh, I got you. Oh my God, that's
Okay. We got your butter.
Check.
Let's see, we got the orange jam.
Check.
We got cinnamon.
Check.
We got raspberry.
Yeah, baby.
And we got the blue
Oh
jam.
my gosh. Amazing.
Oh, and also this one's honey.
Oh,
This
yes,
is honey
of
right
course, yes.
And lastly, your bread right here.
Truly super
Yes.
jealous. That's extraordinary.
Enjoy your super toast right now.
You are a legend. Thank you. Oh my god. I need a hug, man. This is awesome.
For sure.
Thank you so much.
For sure.
Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this is wonderful.
Yes, of course.